Hey everyone, welcome back to Review Kitchens. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of the Farberware Countertop microwave oven. This 1000-watt powerhouse is not just functional, but also a stylish addition to any kitchen with its eye-catching metallic red finish. Let's explore why this might be the microwave you need in your home or office. The Farberware microwave packs a punch with its 1000 watts of output power. Whether you're reheating leftovers or preparing a quick meal, this microwave does it all in a snap. It's all about convenience with this compact beast. To make it easier for you, I've left the link to this product in the description and comments at a promotional price, so to guarantee it, click and add this product to your Amazon cart. With 10 power levels and multi-stage cooking, you can fully customize your cooking experience. The 6 one-touch options for popcorn, potato, pizza, frozen vegetables, dinner plate, and beverages make it super easy to cook your favorite dishes perfectly every time. Measuring at 1.1 cubic feet, this microwave is the perfect solution for small kitchens, dorms, and offices. It offers full-sized cooking capabilities without taking up too much space. Plus, the easy-to-clean interior and exterior make maintenance a breeze. The Farberware microwave comes with a clear LED display that includes a kitchen timer and clock. You can easily keep track of your cooking time, and the interior lighting lets you keep an eye on your food. The child safety lock adds an extra layer of security, making it perfect for families. Positive points. Compact design. Perfect for small spaces like dorms, apartments, and offices. Powerful. 1000 watts of power with 10 levels for versatile cooking. One-touch cooking, 6 pre-programmed settings for easy cooking. Easy to use. LED display with kitchen timer and clock, plus interior lighting. Child safety lock. Keeps your little one safe from unsupervised use. Stylish. The metallic red finish adds a pop of color to your kitchen. Negative points. Noise level. Some users might find it a bit noisy during operation. Capacity. While 1.1 cubic feet is perfect for small spaces, it might be limiting for larger families or those who cook in bulk. So, is the Farberware Countertop microwave the right choice for you? If you're looking for a compact, powerful, and stylish microwave that's perfect for small spaces, then absolutely. Its range of convenient features, including the one-touch cooking programs and child safety lock, make it a fantastic addition to any kitchen. That's it for today's review. Thanks for tuning into Review Kitchens. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed and honest kitchen gadget reviews. See you next time.